Today we're looking at a project car that could become someone's dream build. A 1976 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray convertible, listed for just $3,000 in Mandeville, Louisiana. This car shows only 300 miles on the chassis, and while it's missing both the engine and transmission, the foundation is surprisingly solid. The seller picked it up with the intention of restoring it, but another project came along and this one had to be pushed aside. What you do get is a convertible Stingray body, finished in gray, along with a large collection of parts stored neatly in bins. Some pieces are missing, but the essentials for a proper classic rebuild are there. For anyone who wants a blank canvas to build a custom powertrain, this Corvette is the perfect starting point. At $3,000 or best offer, this is one of those rare Corvette opportunities where the bones are good, the price is right, and the potential is huge. For the right buyer, this isn't just a project, it's the beginning of a brand new story. If you had this Stingray shell in your garage, what kind of build would you create? Let me know. And don't forget, more forgotten classics are coming up next.